one of them.
They really put a good fight.
They really did put up a good fight against the returning and defending champions of the Philippines. Give it up for Team Liquid Philippines! Oh my goodness!
Ang galing.
Everybody was ready, Carl TZ. Nakikita ko yung pakiramdam mo eh. It felt like, you know, the emotion was there. Para kang natanggalan ng malaking tinik sa lalamunan. Talk to us about how we're feeling right now.
Sobrang tuwa lang po talaga. Tsaka sobrang na-excite kami kasi gusto namin bumawi sa Aurora. Tsaka masaya kami na nakabalik kami ng Worlds.
We were indeed very happy.
At by the way, Carl, bukas at makakalaban mo ulit ang Aurora. Ano ang masasabi mo kay Demon Kite?
Demon Kite, matagal-tagal na to. Familiar na kaming lahat dito. At
makakatapat mo siya muli.
Tama si Almira, siya na naman ang hadlang. Ano masasabi mo?
Message ko kay Demon Kite, have fun na lang, enjoy tayo. Tsaka nabigyan natin magandang laban mga fans.
Magandang laban ng mga fans, and that's exactly what we're gonna be expecting.